Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you change your username on Google Drive. You have to understand that there is no such way you can change your username on Google account directly. You must create a new account with a desirable username and then transfer your file for a different kind of username, and you can change a display name associated with the Google account itself by going to your account's personal info section as well. So if this changes the name of others seen in the Drive and other Google service, but not the email address that you use to sign in. So what you need to do is just click on the initials and then click on manage your Google account. So this is going to take you to the other fields or the settings page where you have your personal info. Click that out. Here you will be able to see your name. So you could go ahead and change your name, but not your username. So that's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.